All right, it's winter in Michigan. We're putting in a French drain system. There is a berm back here. Beautiful setup. I love the setup. This homeowner has a nice situation. There's a beautiful walking path, and the common area is wooded and gorgeous. But this berm between the walking path, this is very common too. And then look, he set himself up real nice. He's got a gate to where him and his family can just take a nice stroll down this path. Beautiful. But did this lot come with something a little additional? Absolutely. So now the water, when it rains and when that snow melts, sheds into the swale. We have non-permeable surface here, as you can see. Everything is concrete, non-permeable. This roof, non-permeable. That roof, non-permeable. So what do we have? We have all the downspouts, everything. A very narrow green belt. Even though there's slope, it's so hard for water to find its way out of our bluegrasses here in the north that the slope isn't enough. So what we're gonna do, we're tying in, we're down pretty deep. That's the tie-in on this storm drain. This is stormwater drain. You can't expect the water to go up and into the grate. Now that would be flood water. You'd literally have to have standing water. Now just the water that's left to lie, it has no way to do that. It's not going to define gravity and go into the storm drain catch basin. So what we do is we tie into that tap. We're down probably 36 inches, and we run our Boffman high octane, our wrapped system with stone. Then we burrito wrap it. Look how good these guys are. Look at that. They disconnected it right at a coupler. We'll get that system in. We'll put this sprinkler line right back in. Beautiful stuff, beautiful stuff. Talented crew. Marcelo is the man, because that was his handiwork. So now, even though this isn't the blue clay, because here in Michigan we have a blue clay that's really, really nasty. I mean really nasty. Even though it's not the blue clay, this yard is still a mess. All right, so we got water. Look at this. Look at all that water. Notice how that water is not moving. That water is just laying on the surface. When there's stone there and we have a quad pack of high octane, the water goes down into the system. Then it migrates easily and freely to the storm drain catch basin. That's how it works, guys. Any questions, please post them in the comments section. I'm here for you guys. Hey, until the next video.